In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the sidebar in Google Sites. Whether you're creating a sleek portfolio or a professional company page, sometimes simplicity is key. Removing the sidebar can help give your Google site a more streamlined appearance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Sites page. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the gear icon. This is the gateway to your settings. Click it. This will open up a menu which compiles all the various options you can adjust for your site, ranging from the look and feel to the more technical settings. Within this menu, you'll see several sections. You'll want to locate the option labeled Navigation Settings. Now here's where your decision comes in. When it comes to navigation, you have a couple of choices depending on how you want your site to look and function. For our purpose today, focus on Side, which is actually the sidebar currently visible on your site. It's located prominently within this section, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. Go ahead and click on Side. By clicking on Side, you'll prompt a list of alternatives for your navigation setup. Here, what you're going to do is select Top. Changing your navigation from side to top is a surefire way to remove the sidebar altogether. This adjustment moves all navigation options to the top of the web page, providing a cleaner, more spacious look to your site's layout. After you've made this change, take a moment to preview your site. Look at how the navigation is now repositioned at the top of the screen. Your page should look much more open and uncluttered. This not only enhances its aesthetic, but can improve the viewer's experience by making your content the primary focus. If you're happy with the way your site looks without the sidebar, don't forget to save these changes. Usually Google Sites will automatically update, but always check to be sure. Another tip, after you've saved your changes, view your site from different devices, like a tablet or phone, to ensure it appears the way you intend across various screens. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the sidebar from your Google site, opening up your design for a more modern and straightforward look. Keep exploring the customization options within Google Sites to find what best suits your project. Now you have the tools to make your site look exactly how you envision it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.